How to activate iMessage on iPhone running on iOS 26. There are some settings you need to put in place, and there are some things you need to know before you activate your iMessages on iPhone. The first thing is to be sure that you have a very good network. Wipe that from the control center. Tap on this Wi-Fi airplane mode. Tap on it to tap it off, then tap on it for a few seconds to turn it on. So doing this, guys, will refresh the network on your device. That is the first thing you have to do. Now that I've done that, go ahead and tap on settings on your iPhone. Then scroll down to the base of this page, tap on apps. Under apps, search for message and message. To access the message apps on your device, tap on it. Once tap on it, then scroll up until you have access to iMessage. Once you tap on it, you are here like this on iMessage. Tap on this button. You tap on this button, wait for a few seconds. You should see your phone number here and email address. If your phone number does not comes up here, then your phone number should comes up here. Now that your phone number has come up here, you can now go ahead and use this message. Now, in case you've tried this and it does not work, then let's try. Now you have to go back to the settings again. Go and tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer and reset iPhone. Now tap on reset iPhone. Here, tap on reset all settings. If you have any security code on your phone, provide that security code to access this page. And if you have screen time passcode, you need to enter your screen time passcode as well. So tap on reset all settings. This will set all settings on your app's pay card. Key and pass will be removed. No data will be erased. So doing this, guys, you should be able to fix the issue of iMessage not working on your iPhone. If you enjoyed this tip on how to activate iMessages on iPhone running on iOS 16. If not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.